It's 2025 and Apple should copy this top Android feature right now. Let's check this out. So when you go to your Play Store and then you try downloading an application from one phone, you can actually get the same app on the other. So let's say I want to get this application right here. Let's say let's just try any random application. Okay, let's just try Klarna. And then I want to get this on this device, or probably I don't want to get it on this device, but I want to get it on this device. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on this, and then you can see the phones I have right here that is actually having the same email on the devices. So when I tap on this one, this is a Samsung A54 5G. So when I tap on this, instead of installing it on this phone, I can uncheck this and then try to install it right here. And then when we go to our home screen right now, I mean, later we are going to see it popping up on the screens, or we probably would have Klarna somewhere here. So let's just wait for it to get installed. You can see right here, it's actually installing it. Let me check on this one. So that means we didn't install Klarna on this phone, but we actually want to get it on the other phone. So it's actually going to just get installed right away, which is something not available on Apple or iPhones. And I think it's quite not good, because it's something that will really help a lot of people. Because with me like this, I have a couple of phones, or someone can actually have different phones that they want to install different apps on them at a point in time. So you can see Klarna is right here, and then we didn't touch this phone. We actually just installed it through this phone. So I think it's a feature Apple should really get, because with me having like different iPhones, I can choose to be scrolling on this phone right here, and then maybe I want to install an application on this phone, and then I feel like, oh, let me just tap on the section where I can just automatically just install on that device without not picking the phone. You probably might have the phone with you and it might be off, or maybe you left it home. You can just install it with the device you have in hand at that moment. Because when you check on this device, you can see I have a lot of apps, and the space on this device is actually low, or the storage is low. So I just want to get it on this device, which is very, very cool. So let me know in the comment section if you think this feature is actually very great and you think Apple should bring it to iPhones and then iPads. Don't forget to share this video and also subscribe to the channel. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.